The next chapter in the 70-year Chevrolet Corvette history and now mid-engine Corvette journey starts here with the 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. I'm Dave Jacobs at Facias Chevrolet, and we're going to look at the next American supercar. Wheels. The production Z06 Corvette comes standard with 20-inch front and 21-inch rear forged aluminum wheels. Available options include the more lightweight and rigid carbon fiber wheels that achieves an overall 41-pound reduction in weight and mass. Exhaust. The unique rear fascia also features centered floating exhaust bezels. This floating design was key to the precise tuning in the exhaust note. The wider rear fender also allows for the larger air intakes required for the car's cooling. Hand-built. The LT6 is hand-assembled by master engine builders at the Performance Build Center within the Bowling Green, Kentucky assembly plant. Builders use precision tooling and hand-fit pieces of the engine to meet Chevrolet's exact specifications. Each engine features a plaque on the intake manifold with the signature of the technician who crafted it from start to finish. Front and rear fascia. The unique front and rear fascias are designed to optimize the Z06 cooling needs. As you can see here, the front and rear fascias have been redesigned to allow maximum airflow through the 3 fronts and 1 on each side, channeling air to a center heat exchanger, which is 1 of 5 for maximizing cooling performance. For more information about the Chevrolet Z06 and our full line of Chevrolets, come see us at Facias Chevrolet in Melbourne, Florida, home of Warranty Forever. Thank you.